Guys, this is my dog named Charlie. Say hello, Charlie. Want to be in my video?
Uh-huh.
You want to be in my video?
Yeah.
Can I show you?
No, I'm not on YouTube, Dave. Not on YouTube. Look at a boring video, Charlie. Do something more fun there.
Yeah, like, show us where these are toys. These are other toys.
Oh yeah, look, he's showing you how he plays with his baby.
Come on, Charlie. Show us some more tricks. You got more tricks up your sleeve. Oh, whoop, whoop, whoop. Hello.
We've got 27 subscribers.
I know I got 27. I catch up. Don't worry about Charlie. He just barks because he wants to play. It's okay, Charlie. It's my camera. You're on the video. Congratulations. You get Academy Award winner. Oh. He plays at the cage all the time because he has a fight with it. Yeah, he was. You know your voice is featured in it. It's okay. He fights with it all the time. It's annoying for him. Going forwards into backwards. Forward, backwards, forward, backwards. It's like music to my ears. Keep barking. Keep barking. Bark. Oh, he nearly goes for my sock. Because that's why you don't put your shoe or sock in there. Because he'll try and bite you. Charlie. No. Wait. Stop. Have to calm him down. Stop. Wait, don't bark at me. Don't bark at me. I'll throw you inside your cage. Hey. 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 I'm gonna end the video here. It's too funny. Hey. What? What are you looking at me for? You wanna look at the camera? He's just chilling. Oh, you don't bark at me! Man, you're so crazy! Don't bark at me! Don't bark at me! You don't bark at me! Shush! Shush! Mom's trying to watch TV. I'm ending. Shush!